Hello, everybody, and hopefully you have a good one wherever you're out there, and hopefully you have a great weekend. So I'm bringing a little story that kind of it's unfortunate. So if you're waiting for your Civic Type R to be delivered, well, you might have to wait a little bit long because Honda is stopping the Civic Type R sales over faulty rails. Now, before I get any further, I'm getting my information from an article driver and written by Fred Smith. As always, I have a link to everything I show you in the description below. So, yes, it's not an April Fool joke. No, it is not. There seems to be an issue in the weld for the seat. Now, straight from article saying that Honda issued a stop sale on the Civic Type R Friday over a faulty welds in the driver's side seat cushion frame, according to the dealer communication from the automaker. The issue seems that the frame could fail to secure the seat during a collision, reducing the effectiveness of restraining safety measure, according to the dealer notice. And this information was posted on the Civic forum and filed with the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration on Friday. The weld issue is a result of an improper manufacturing, the document says. While the failure during the crash is the most catastrophic risk, the weld issue can also lead to squeaking and rattling noises that have been noted by Civic Type R owners on the same forum since November. All right. So it's saying there's no specific VIN range or a build window is included in the notice, but the document does clarify that an internal system would return which cars do and do not need the repair. At least one user from that forum thread has already reached out to their dealer and found their vehicle is not impacted. And they have a link to it, and it shows right there. You can see the Honda saying the Civic VIN, check for the deliverability, and it's saying it's not impacted. All right, so saying the document claims that part of the repair are not yet available and says that Honda will not begin notifying owner of cars with the relevant issue until mid-May. The stop sale is date as starting on March 31st and set to continue until further notice, presumably when a repair procedure is set and completed. Oh, I mean, I understand. Now, okay, here's my point. So let me explain a little bit. Throughout my, car, being to cars and going to track and seeing people modify cars and going to car meet and all that, blah, blah, blah. I've seen so many seats installed improperly. It's unbelievable. You see a lot of aftermarket seats, and the first thing you look at it like, where is the seat bolted onto? And you'll be shocked how people bolt seats on cars. And you might be thinking, what has to do with this? It does. It's seats are very crucial safety element in your car, and they have to be bolted on correctly. And I'm being dead serious. Correctly, like the location of where the seat bolted onto your car is essential. Regardless, like it's a race car. You have no airbags. You have a 5.6 point racing harness. You still need that seat to be bolted on. I'm talking about when you go on a roller coaster, how the seat is there. You want your seat to be in your car. Okay, so it's understandable why Honda stopped manufacturing until it fixes it, because if the seat collapses, fails, you have a catastrophic. You could die. Let's put it that way. You could have a spinal failure. You could break your spine. So many things can happen. Internal injuries. God knows what. Because the restraint system doesn't is designed where you're sitting in your seat and everything kind of cushions you, airbags and whatnot. It's not you supposed to be flying around in that thing. So yeah. Anyway, so I'm pretty sure someone out there will probably even explain it even better. But put it this way, I've seen a lot of cars not bolted on correctly, and hopefully this will wake up those people who modify their cars and they put whatever seats, and it's like, no. If you can't afford to put a legit seat with legit rails on your car, don't touch manufacturer OEM seat. Keep it. That's serious. If you get in a car accident and you do not have your seat bolted on correctly, or is using, I don't know, some aftermarket cheap bolts, and you drill holes in the frame of your car and just gonna put whatever bracket. So anyways, if you're back to the Civic, so it's unfortunate. It's not an April Fool joke. It is true. Honda stopped making it until they figure out what to do. Well, stop sale. I'm pretty sure you can still order it, but it's not gonna arrive in the time frame in which you expected it if it didn't have that issue. So, anyways, good job for people catching it. Good job for Honda is, at least sending the recalls. But I don't know how they're going to handle it. This seems to be Catastrophic risk. That's, a failure during a crash is the most catastrophic risk. They're not saying the seat is going to break, but the squeaking. We'll see. If it's a weld issue, I'm gonna go on a limb. I mean, if you're one of those guys that could like fix things, you probably get welded. But again, the car is under warranty, whatnot. So just take it, get it taken care of. It's probably a weld. I wish I have a picture. I don't. They don't find the pictures. There's no pictures. When I go on a Civic forum, they don't mention anything about pictures. They're just saying. So according to the Civic SI, saying background during manufacturing, the driver's seat cushion frame assembly may have been improperly welded. So the frame assembly. But you know what? This seat is, there's airbags in these seats. These seats are not that simple. Uh, but anyway, so hey, there you go. The Honda Civic Type R is on a little sales stopping temporarily until they figure out how to manufacture that seat without that weld issue. So, anyways, as always, be safe out there. And always let me know what you think about these videos. I always read the comments. So, as always, take care. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.